OpenAI is releasing features upon features for their ChatGPT, which is a flagship LLM out there. And this new feature, which is custom instructions for ChatGPT, the good thing is that this will be available for the mere models, free users also very soon. In this new feature, ChatGPT will consider custom instructions for every conversation going forward. This model ChatGPT will consider the instructions every time it responds so that the user won't have to repeat the preferences or information in every conversation. And I believe this will remove a lot of annoyance at the moment. For example, a teacher crafting a plan would no longer to repeat that they are teaching third grade science. And if you scroll down on this website, you will see few of the examples. So this is the lesson plan example which I'm mentioning. And then maybe for the code generation, a developer won't have to specifying all of his or her preferences. He can only tell the ChatGPT that he programs in Golang or Python or any other language so that ChatGPT would focus only on the Golang or the language of choice of the developer. Similarly, if you're working on a grocery list or anything in a specific geographic location and you tell that to ChatGPT, it will focus on only that area and respond accordingly. For instance, in this one, they are asking for pizza. I'm in Sydney, Australia, so maybe I would just go for any seafood or any Australian related produce according to my geography, which would be uh, within my budget or it would be near my area and easily available. So sky is the limit. So the gist of the matter is that as long as you provide it the context, your preferences, it will enable and help ChatGPT to give you more accurate answer according to your requirement. And the best thing is that it will also remember it going forward. And yes, you can change it whenever you like. So this is it, guys. I believe that um, you like this new custom instruction feature. If you have any feedback, please share in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.